Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to hide or remove indicators in MT4 or MT5. Now sometimes your chart can get cluttered with multiple indicators, right? MT4 and MT5 allow you to hide or remove indicators easily. Okay, so now I'm just going to open my navigator and I'm going to add a lot of indicators to the chart, so that we can begin to gradually remove the ones that we want to remove. Okay, so yeah, your chart can get really clustered. Okay, now the first step is to right click the chart anywhere on the chart where the indicator is applied. Then you open the indicators list. Okay, from the menu a window will appear showing all indicators currently applied to the chart. All right, the third step is to hide or remove. So to hide an indicator, we need to adjust its properties. Okay, or temporarily disable it, right? One of the things that you can do is to uncheck these all time frames here. You can even uncheck this as well, so that the indicator is no. Let's just go to the CISD, which is more visible here right now. Go to the visualization, remove all this, so you can see. Okay, we can use just one time frame. Okay, select just one time frame that you are not analyzing, right? And here we go. As you can see, the indicator is no longer visible on that time frame. Okay, so we have hidden it from that particular time frame. All right, to remove an indicator, you can just go and delete it right from your indicator list. You can just do that, very straightforward. All right, okay, so or you can just even go to the indicator, right click on it and delete. All right, so to hide or remove indicators in MT4 and MT5, you can just right click on your chart, go to indicators list, select the indicator, delete or adjust the properties. All right, optionally use the navigator panel for easier management. So this helps keep your charts clean and organized. Okay, so for your navigator portion, you can just if you just right click and click on delete, right? But this is probably not necessary, right? You can just right click on your chart and then remove whatever indicator that you want to remove. So thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.